Welcome back to What's New in Ogage, our weekly look at new products for our Ogage layouts, libraries, and train rooms. We have a supersized episode today, so grab a beverage and follow along. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Atlas has released its Fall 2025 Premier Ogage catalog featuring a host of new paint schemes. First up are a fresh batch of EMD SD70M diesels with ProtoSound 3. Road names include Canadian National, Florida Gulf and Atlantic, Lake State Railway Paramarquette Heritage, Susquehanna, Norfolk Southern, Union Pacific Abraham Lincoln, and Union Pacific Cab Flag Scheme. The models have a suggested retail price of $749.95. Next are new EMD GP30 diesels with ditch lights as appropriate for the road name. Varieties include BNSF, Cincinnati Scenic Railway Nickel Plate Road, Indiana and Ohio Circus Colors, Norfolk and Western, and Raritan Central. The models have a suggested retail price of $729.95. Also available is a limited collector's edition series SD40-2 diesel in Wheeling and Lake Erie America 250 colors. The model has a suggested retail price of $749.95. New MP15 DC locomotives are also available with or without ditch lights as appropriate, decorated for BNSF, Norfolk Southern, Reading, Conrail, Southern, Union Pacific, and a limited edition collector series Union Railroad Bicentennial Edition. The BNSF, Conrail, Southern, and Union Railroad versions have a suggested retail price of $659.95, with the other models priced at $669.95. The unique Atlas Ogage Scale Test Car is now available in Chuzzy System, Burlington, Great Northern, New Haven, Reading, and Union Pacific colors. The models have a list price of $72.95 each. Modern Cole Porter hoppers are available, decorated for BNSF, Conrail, ESCX, Norfolk Southern, Reading Blue Mountain and Northern, and Union Pacific. The cars have a suggested list price of $89.95 each, or four for $359.80. Also available are a new batch of operating log dump cars, decorated for Amador Central, Bangor and Aroostook, Burlington Northern, Chehalis Western, CSX, and McLeod River. The cars have a suggested retail price of $109.95 each. Atlas will be releasing new Gunderson High Cube 60-foot boxcars, decorated for BNSF, Canadian Pacific, CSX, NOKL, TTX, TTX On Track for a Cure, Union Pacific, and a limited edition collector series Wheeling and Lake Erie 35th Anniversary car. The cars are listed for $109.95 each. Evans double plug door 53-foot boxcars are also available, decorated as Illinois Central Gulf, former Evans, USLX Cypress, USLX Tropicana, USLX Quinault Pacific, USLX Wicks Agriculture, Virginia Central, and USLX Plywood Marketing. The cars have a suggested retail price of $89.95 each. 11,000-gallon tank cars will be released, decorated as Airco Carbon Dioxide, GATX Isobutane, Hampshire Chemical, Pomona, PPG Columbia Southern, and Tenneco Chemicals. The cars are listed for $94.95 each. Atlas has also added new modern 3-light hooded signals to their signal system. Multiple varieties are available. See the link in the video description for more details. And Atlas has also announced new scale people and accessories, priced at $21.95 to $36.95 per set. See the catalog link for more information. The deadline for placing your guaranteed order and reservation with your Atlas dealer on the products listed in this catalog is Wednesday, November 26, 2025. Lionel Trains also released a new catalog this month. Leading off the offerings are a series of highly detailed brass hybrid Pennsylvania Railroad Class K4 462 steamers. Detailed to match specific real-life locomotives, these 12 legacy models, including versions decorated for the Polar Express and the Spirit of America, are priced at $20.99.99 each. Along with these K4 steamers is a new 7-piece Broadway Limited aluminum passenger car set, available as a 4-pack of cars for $13.99.99, a 2-pack for $6.99.99, and as a Station Sounds Diner for $549.99. Less detailed than their brass hybrid cousins, but still impressive, are a collection of 8 legacy die-cast K4 steamers, all decorated for the Pennsylvania Railroad. These steamers have a suggested retail price of $14.99.99 each. And to accompany these die-cast steamers is a complete Broadway limited passenger set. Led by a die-cast K4 steamer, this 6-car heavyweight passenger car set features 4 cars with sounds. The complete set is priced at $31.99.99. Or purchase extra Broadway limited cars, each with unique sounds. Available in 3 different 2-packs for $4.99.99 each, or a single Station Sounds Diner for $4.99.99. Or if fast freight trains are more your style, perhaps this set inspired by Southern Pacific's famous overnight freight service will scratch your itch. Led by a colorful legacy Southern Pacific AC9 Class 2884 steamer, pulling a PS4 flat car with trailers, a Freight Sounds PS1 boxcar, a regular PS1 boxcar, 2 wood-sheathed boxcars, and a Vision Line CA1 class caboose, the complete set has a suggested retail price of $29.99.99. And speaking of AC9 steamers, 11 more are available for separate sale, 6 in various Southern Pacific color schemes, plus Rio Grande, Delaware and Hudson, Western Pacific, Halloween, and Southern Crescent versions. These steamers are listed for $22.99.99 each. Lionel has also announced a collection of aluminum-colored PS1 boxcars decorated for Chesapeake and Ohio, Canadian National, Great Northern, Minneapolis and St. Louis, Nickel Plate, and Rock Island. These PS1 boxcars are listed for $119.99 each. A series of single-sheathed wood-sided boxcars is also available, decorated for Atlantic and East Carolina, Chicago and Illinois Midland, Green Bay and Western, Milwaukee Road, Minnesota Mining and Manufacturing, and Southern Pacific. The cars have a suggested retail price of $89.99 each. The Lion Chief Plus 2.0 series includes a new jet-powered RDC car, based on a New York Central experimental model that operated once in Northwest Ohio. The cars are available decorated for New York Central, Pennsylvania, Santa Fe, North Pole Central, Looney Tunes, Star Wars The Mandalorian, and Star Wars Boba Fett. The models are priced at $579.99 each, or $599.99 for the Looney Tunes and Star Wars models. Also in the Star Wars line is a new Return of the Jedi Ewoks boxcar, listed for $114.99. 3 commemorative bump-and-go trolleys are also available, one decorated for the U.S. Postal Service, one in a colorful America 250 scheme, and a third decorated as a funeral trolley for Halloween. The trolleys are listed for $184.99 each. The Lion Chief series kicks off with a new Area 51 Phantom locomotive with underbody glow for $259.99, and an Area 51 add-on coach car for $199.99. New Whispering Rails 19-inch aluminum passenger cars with glow-in-the-dark accents are also available. The cars are available as a 4-pack for $1399.99, as a pair for $699.99, and as a Station Sounds Diner for $549.99. Based on the Hogwarts Express tooling, the Lunar Limited Lion Chief passenger set is also available, with a steam locomotive and 3 matching passenger cars for $574.99, and an add-on coach is also available for $149.99. Or add the Fast Fright Halloween transport car for $124.99, or the Cauldron Illuminated Quad Hopper for $129.99. Or for those who prefer more detail, the Transylvania Railroad PS4 flat car with trailers is available for $199.99, and the Whispering Rails Class CA1 caboose is listed for $169.99. You can also add some whimsical action to your seasonal display with the Witching Yard Operating Broom Factory with sounds for $319.99. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2026 45th Anniversary Flat Cars with trucks in 4 different schemes next spring. The cars will each feature a 1/50th scale box truck, each sporting a primary MTH logo from the company's long history. The cars will be available as premier flat cars with box trucks in the 45th Anniversary, Rail King, MTH, and DCS logos for $94.95 each, or as Rail King cars with box trucks featuring each of these logos for $89.95 each. The cars will be available in extremely limited quantities and are expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in April 2026. And that is all for this week. See you next Tuesday with more What's New in Ogage. Thanks for watching.